Good morning, students and all. We hereby been organizing the communication session with all generations of mechanical engineering, starting from the first batch of mechanical engineering of LDRP to the last batch which have been passed out. And we are starting with session with Mr. Siddharth Patel, who is a material manager at ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India Limited, and he have been in this field from last 10 years, and he have been serving in different at different positions in 3 to 4 industries, and he have gone through good experiences as mechanical engineer in all the industries, and due to his experience now he is at the position where he can share his experiences as mechanical engineer in the field. As well, he can convey message to students why to take admission in mechanical engineering. So I welcome you, Mr. Siddharth Patel.
Thank you, Kausar, so much. As rightly you have introduced, but I would like to first of all give my introduction. As rightly said, myself Siddharth Patel, and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering from ILDRP Institute of Technology and Research in 2009 batch. As it was a great batch, and the batchmates just like you, and it was a great learning with the fun. So this was a great experience at our college, and as rightly said, I presently am working as a manager in material planning and the stores since last 2 years. Before that, I have started my career as a inspection engineer, and at that time I have the roles and responsibility to inspect the components or the spare parts in-house as well as at the vendor sites, and I have also doing their NDT testing also. After doing 2 years experience over there, I got the opportunity in the machine shop area where I have to handle the 28 machines, and that includes the various machines, conventional as well as the CNC machines. In conventional, I have to handle the lathe machine, milling machine, drilling, grinding, etc. Number of machines are there, and in CNC also we have to work from the operators like VMC and the CNC turning machine. So it was a great experience over there of soft floor, and after total 8 years experience, I got the opportunity to learn more things in the material department. So right now I'm working as a material manager in CMS department, and CMS is particularly a central repair shop. So what we are doing a maintenance of the equipments which are not possible at our the running mills like hot rolling mills, cold rolling mills. So we are doing the maintenance of the gearboxes, compressors, gas compressors, etc. at our workshop. So it consists of several departments over here like fabrication department, assembly department, planning department, machine shop department. So it was a great learning over here, and I totally enjoyed my learning. And
So,
thanks.
so we can say whatever subjects we have came across during the graduation are now being utilized for the technical perspective of industries. Is it so?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, acha. Now I'll go for some more detailed discussion regarding what do you think of taking admission in mechanical engineering? The future generation, if they wants to go for engineering field, then why they should take admission in mechanical? You should discuss your perspective on this.
Yeah, Kaushal, yeah, taking admission in the mechanical engineering is always a great choice since we are knowing it's a very core discipline since a long time. As we all know, before taking admission, the people or the relatives are told mechanical engineering is a evergreen line. Yeah, I have also doing the same here, and I also experienced the same. Right. So as you know, India is going to become a biggest manufacturing hub in near future 2025. As rightly said by the Prime Minister, and in the Corona effect also, the industries are moving from China to India, and there are so many furnaces and so many steel industries are also. The people are all over the world are moving towards the India. So yeah, there are so many projects are coming in the India. So it's a very good opportunity in near future. So obviously it's great choice to take admission in mechanical engineering.
Acha, can I go for one more perspective of students? If we want to encourage students, how we can deal with them? How to encourage them to shift from their mentality or the imaginary thoughts that we should be mechanical, we should be computer engineers. Why? Because it is white collar job, and we have to sit in office and do work for 9 to 4, just doing coding work. So how you will recommend them to be mechanical engineers as a job profile? How you will go for that particular criteria?
Yeah, Kaushal. It's a very good question from your side. I also in my thoughts like when I was studying that I would like to job 9 to 5 in my AC cabin. But before doing job in AC cabin, you should get the exposure of the soft floor. And mechanical, is a very soft, just basic job. First of all, I would like to experience myself. Before right now, I am doing a job on computer. I am doing the ERP software. Job on the ERP software. I have to manage the inventory levels of the material. I have to procure the material. I have to take the follow up with the vendors and all that. So before doing this, I have completed my 8 years on the soft floor. So where I learned so many basic things of the material related, like what material is required for the what component, what is the basic properties of the material, what is the criteria to choose the material. And that computer is also a good discipline, but that the mechanical engineering is the basic core discipline. Without mechanical, there is nothing. Like I would like to give you an example in CNC machine. So CNC machine is basically computer numeric control, right? So computer is a part of mechanical system. Ultimately, what components is produced, that is only depends on our mechanical field. Computer is only supporting field. They gives us the support. So yes, that is interconnect. We can say it is interconnect link. So mechanical is the core field, and computer and the other fields are the supporting field. So as rightly our Mukesh Ambani has so many times told in his speech, there is no substitute of hard work. So yeah, I can say you in starting career 3 to 5 years, you are having some hard work. You have to do the hard work in our engineering line, but the rest of the life is relaxed. And you don't have to bother about the job opportunity or something like that. You can heard so many times that IT persons are left in recent time, like Corona. There are so many companies are employees deduction program in IT industry. Their working hours are increasing. But in my industry, where I am working, AMNS India, our industry has never do such type of things because our work is physical and
are not having that kind of issues. They always need
that kind of job layoff and all that, salary reduction, or that kind of issues are don't bother about it. So it's a great positivity towards our industry, and yes, we can move forward this mechanical.
That was
don't think like electrical or computer or other fields are stronger than us.
I'll say that was great message from you, that if we are becoming mechanical engineer, you will face hardships for 5 to 6 years, but after that you will be in situation that you will be able to handle all situations, or you will be surviving in life with a good salary scale and with good approaches. So it was great message from your side. I'll thank you, Mr. Siddharth Patel, for communicating as mechanical engineer and as batchmate as well, we can say as a friend. We have got great message for students from your side. I thank you again for sharing your precious time, and we are talking on Sunday, so I am taking more time of yours on Sunday, because as industry person you will not have that much of time to communicate. But thank you very much, Mr. Siddharth Patel, for this communication, and we'll hope that mechanical field will do great in future, as you have said, that the all manufacturing hubs are coming to India, so it will be great future for India as mechanical engineers. And also engineers will have great future and great opportunities in near future. And also industry 4.0 is introduced, so mechanical field will be always there to work as a benchmark and to support other fields also, software industries and all. So thank you very much. If you want to convey some message to students, you can place your remark on this communication.
Yeah, Kaushal, I would like to add one more thing that you have already told, that Industry 4.0 and 4.2 is coming in India. So I would like to emphasize our new students that they emphasize on the additive manufacturing and 3D printing. That are the coming in India at very faster pace, and if we learn at this point of time, then there will be a huge job opportunity as well as the business opportunity. If the people are interested in the business, then yes, you are the one of the good 3D designer that we have already told last time. So I think you should create some workshop for our students and give them guidance how to proceed further. So it will be great beneficial to our students from you.
Okay, sure.
Thank you again,
Thank you.
the whole LDRP engineering college staff and Mr. Kaushal Bhavsar, to give my thoughts on this platform.
Okay.
And bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.